Have you ever wondered what is project management and why is it important? Well, today we're going to unravel this concept and delve into its significance in the modern world. Picture this. You're planning a grand birthday party. You need to arrange for the venue, send out the invitations, ensure the decorations are on point, and let's not forget the most important part, the cake. Now, wouldn't it be overwhelming to handle all these tasks alone? This is where project management comes into play. Similar to planning a party, project management involves planning, organizing, and managing resources to bring about the successful completion of specific goals and objectives. It's like the invisible puppeteer pulling the strings behind a successful event, product launch, or even constructing a skyscraper. Let's imagine project management as a ship. The project manager is the captain, leading the crew, the team, and navigating the ship, the project, through the rough seas, challenges, to reach the desired destination, the project's goal. The captain must ensure that the ship doesn't stray off course and reaches its destination on time and within budget. That's project management in a nutshell. Now, why is project management important, you may ask? For starters, it ensures that there is a proper plan and organization in place, which leads to increased efficiency. It also helps in managing risks and reduces the potential for failure. Additionally, it ensures that resources are used effectively and efficiently, thereby saving costs. In short, project management is the backbone of any successful project. So to sum it all up, project management is the art and science of making things happen. It's about planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve specific goals. And the importance of project management? It increases efficiency, manages risks, reduces costs, and is the key to the success of any project. Remember, every successful project once started as an idea. But it's the process of project management that turns these ideas into reality. So, the next time you're planning a party or even a trip, remember, you're not just a planner, you're a project manager. In the grand scheme of things, whether it's constructing a skyscraper or planning a birthday party, the principles of project management apply. It's the secret ingredient to turning ideas into successful realities. It's the silent hero behind every successful project. So, keep in mind, project management isn't just a profession, it's a skill, a mindset, and a lifestyle. It's the art of making things happen against all odds, and that's the essence of project management.